Introducing the QCIO-50 Torque Tester, the most advanced and user-friendly solution for your torque measurement needs. This versatile tester from the Advanced Witness series is designed to provide precise and reliable torque readings, making it an essential tool for various applications. The QC series tester supports a wide range of tools and torque levels, ensuring its versatility in different fastening tasks. With its rotating display and dual bolting configuration, the QCIO-50 allows for seamless transitions between horizontal and vertical operation, enhancing efficiency. The tester's compact and lightweight design, combined with its durable construction, makes it ideal for use in various environments. The QCIO-50 offers 3 modes of operation: track, peak, and first peak, providing flexibility for different testing requirements. The NIM rechargeable batteries provide up to 8-10 hours of continuous use, ensuring uninterrupted operation during extended testing sessions. Invest in the QCIO-50 Torque Tester and experience the ultimate precision and convenience in your torque measurement tasks. Its versatility, durability, and user-friendly features make it an indispensable tool for professionals across various industries. Elevate your quality control processes with the Advanced Witness Series QCIO-50 Torque Tester.